What's good, tribe? Chief Blackrock back with another presentation. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and share. Now let's begin. What if gangs traded their flags for totem poles? From territorial conflict to community guardianship. What if groups known for conflict became known for protection? What if symbols of division became symbols of stewardship? What if the energy spent defending corners, blocks, and territories was redirected toward defending families, children, elders, and communities? This is not a lecture about gangs. This is a lecture about transformation, about what becomes possible when identity evolves. The search for belonging. Many organizations, groups, and crews emerge from a common human need: belonging. People seek identity, brotherhood, purpose, protection, recognition, community. These desires are not inherently destructive. They are deeply human. The question is what direction they are given. The warrior instinct. Across history, communities have relied on protectors, people willing to stand watch, defend the vulnerable, protect elders, preserve knowledge, safeguard future generations. The warrior instinct is not automatically violence. At its highest expression, it becomes service. The meaning of the totem pole. A flag often marks territory. A totem often marks memory, identity, ancestry, responsibility, story. A totem does not simply announce ownership. It reminds a community who they are. The shift from flag to totem symbolizes a shift from possession toward stewardship. Redirecting energy. Energy does not disappear. It changes form. The same determination used for conflict can become community protection, mentorship, emergency response, youth guidance, neighborhood restoration, economic development, cultural preservation. Strength becomes more powerful when directed toward construction rather than destruction. Protecting the community. Many communities face real challenges: violence, addiction, poverty, exploitation, neglect, isolation. Protection is still needed. The question is, protection from what and for whom? A guardian protects life, not ego, not status, not destruction. Healing the wound. Beneath the conflict, many cycles of violence emerge from deeper wounds: pain, loss, trauma, abandonment, humiliation, disconnection. Communities often focus on the symptoms. The deeper challenge is healing the source. The evolution of the warrior. The highest warrior is not merely skilled in conflict. The highest warrior learns discipline, responsibility, restraint, service, leadership, accountability. Power without purpose becomes danger. Power with purpose becomes protection. Reclaiming stewardship. Imagine groups becoming known for feeding families, protecting children, guiding youth, building businesses, restoring neighborhoods, preserving cultural memory, creating opportunities. The same organizational power can be redirected. Identity can evolve, building future ancestors. Every generation influences the next. The question is, what inheritance is being left behind? Fear, division, or stewardship? Future generations remember what communities choose to build. What if the symbols changed? What if the mission changed? What if warriors became guardians? What if territory became responsibility? What if power became service? The future of a community is often determined by where its strongest people choose to direct their energy. When strength is guided by purpose, warriors become guardians, territory becomes stewardship, and communities become stronger than conflict itself. I appreciate you all for joining me. See you again soon.
No hesitation, that's calibration. Recite, life get clear with separation. I done outgrew what I used to tolerate. Evolve, outgrew talk that don't resonate.